Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google account safely in 2026, step by step without losing important data or accidentally deleting things you still need. This guide is perfect if you no longer use a good Gmail account, you want to clean up old or unused accounts, you're concerned about privacy or security, or you want to delete the Gmail the correct way, not the risky way. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what gets deleted, what stays, and how to do it safely. Let's get started. This is very important. Let's understand what deleting Gmail really means. There are two different things people confuse. Deleting one only Gmail or deleting the entire Google account. Deleting Gmail removes your email address, keeps your Google account, like for YouTube, Drive, etc. Deleting Google account deletes everything permanently. In this video, we will focus on deleting Gmail safely, and I'll also explain when deleting the full account makes sense. Okay, so things you must do before deleting Gmail. Never skip this step. Before deleting Gmail, check important emails, right? Download anything you might need. Update accounts linked to this email. Many services use Gmail as login email, password recovery email, or identity verification. If you skip this, you could lose access to other accounts. Okay? Next, even if you think you don't need your emails, back them up. Okay? Google provides a free tool called Google Takeout. So, steps, go to Google Takeout. Takeout, right? And select mail only, right? So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna deselect them all, here. I'm gonna select mail. So we're gonna try to pin it down. Google Store, no. Pixel, pinpoint, nope. Timeline, Google contributions, review, nope. Google Store, purchases, no. I'm gonna try to pin down here Gmail or mail. Google account, data about registration and account activity. Google Discover, follows, likes, no. Chrome, Canvas, alert. Okay, let's say, for precaution, you can just take them all in, right? So I'm gonna save it all in, because you don't know exactly which one saves up the mails and everything, right? Each one has its own perks, right? So we're gonna save all of that data, so eventually we can access it later. All right. So if you didn't find your Gmail, just select them all. All right. And then what you're gonna do, hit next step, and send the download link via email, or to Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. And in the frequency, if you want to export it all in one time, just choose export once and choose the file type. I'm gonna keep it as a zip file, and the file size should be 4 GB or 2 GB for faster receivement. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, just hit create export. Okay, you will receive a downloadable archive of all emails, data, etc. This is your safety net, right? Next, checking what accounts are linked to this Gmail. Before deleting, review bank accounts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and click our avatar icon at the top right, hit manage Google accounts. Inside, you're gonna see your personal info like bank accounts, payment methods, etc. Right? So go ahead right here, for example, to the bank account, and you're gonna manage payment methods here inside, or subscriptions, social media maybe, right? So go ahead to the personal, not personal info, security login, you're gonna see that devices linked to this account, right? So yeah, and also the platforms that are connected with your Gmail. Okay, you can see right here all connections, right? You can disconnect them from here. Okay, shopping platforms, subscriptions, as mentioned before, cloud services, anywhere this Gmail is used, update the email address and confirm the change. So let's say I want to use a different detail. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete all connections or see details from here and stop using or stop signing with this email. All right, so this prevents future like lockout. Okay, next, signing into the Google account. Let's begin the deletion process. Okay, steps: sign into your Gmail account that you want to delete. Click your profile picture, right? Same thing, and go to manage your Google account. This opens your main account control panel. All right, inside, navigate to data and privacy. Right, inside data and privacy settings, scroll down to download or delete your data. Okay, you can download or delete your data, or you can delete your Google account entirely. Right, so focus, because this is very important. This section controls everything related to your Google data if you want to delete a Google service, right, or data essentially. Right, so what we're gonna do, choose the delete a service. Okay, and enter, of course, your password here to confirm that you want to use this. So let me confirm via facial recognition here. And because I use a passkey for this, right? So I'm gonna sign in again. This is only for like, for security measures. So don't worry about this. So now, this step allows you to delete only Gmail, not the entire account. All right. You may be asked to re-enter your password, verify your identity. So just like we did now, this is for security. Next, find Gmail, right? And then click the trash icon next to it. Google will warn you, Gmail emails will be deleted. Gmail address will stop working. This is important. You will need to add a new non-Gmail email as a replacement. This email becomes your new login and recovery data. Okay, so to continue to use your other Google services with this account, like Google Play, Docs, or Calendar, you need an address to sign in with. It can't be Gmail address. All right. So next, of adding a replacement email address. Google requires this for safety. Okay, this ensures you can still access your Google account, recover your account later. Never skip this step. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, confirm Gmail deletion. Once verified, accept the warning, confirm the Gmail deletion. Your Gmail account is now scheduled for deletion. This process is usually permanent after confirmation. What happens now after Gmail is deleted? After deletion, emails are permanently removed. Gmail address stops receiving messages. You cannot reuse the same Gmail address, but Google Drive remains, YouTube remains, Google Photos remains, as long as you didn't delete the full Google account. Okay. In some cases, deleting Gmail is not enough. Delete the full Google account if you no longer want Google services at all. As we showed you before, you can delete your data or delete the Google ecosystem. The account is unused or unnecessary. Maybe you're consolidating accounts. This deletes both platforms, like not only Gmail. They will delete Drive. It will delete Photos, YouTube, all Google data. Only do this if you're 100% sure. Okay. So if you want to know how, right? If you want a reminder how, just go back inside the data privacy, stay there and hit delete your Google account. There will be warnings and verification that you need to actually log in for security reasons. Then what you're gonna do, obviously do the same steps, like confirm the identity, and confirm, of course, the deletion. Google gives a short recovery window, but don't rely on it. So avoid these mistakes: deleting Gmail without backing up emails, forgetting linked accounts, deleting the entire Google account by accident, skipping replacements email setup, rushing the process. Slow and careful is the correct approach. I know you want to get rid of whatever you got going on, but be patient because this is important. So after deletion, update email on important services, enable two-step verification on your new email, monitor login alerts, remove all Gmail from saved browsers. This prevents confusion and security issues. So here's a frequently asked questions by people. Can I recover deleted Gmail account? Usually no. Once permanently deleted. Can I reuse the same Gmail address later? No. Will deleting Gmail affect my Android phone? Only email access, not the device itself. Lastly, is deleting Gmail better for privacy? Only if you stop using it completely. So, deleting a Gmail account safely in 2026 is not hard, but it must be done carefully. Always remember, backup first, update linked account, choose the correct deletion option, don't rush. A clean digital life starts with intentional decisions. This guide helped you. Like the video, subscribe, and comment below what you want in the next videos. So we will see you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.